Hello everyone, as you can see on my screen, it says Adobe Flash Player is blocked. If you're using a Chrome browser or a Chromebook, if you see issues or errors with Adobe Flash Player, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue on any website that uses Flash. So what you can do in this website, this is an HTTP website, so you see the word not secure, but if you see an HTTPS website, you will see a lock. So what you need to do is, in this case, I'm going to click on not secure, but if it, like I said, if it was an HTTPS website, you will click on a lock, so you will see a lock. I'm going to click on not secure. I'm going to go to site settings, and there are two settings that you need to enable. Flash should be allowed here, and pop-up redirect should be allowed. And that's it. You go back to your website, it will automatically work, or it will tell you to reload. Just do that, and that should take care of your Adobe Flash issues. Thank you.